my lovely people, welcome to my channel. So today I'm going to do calamari and squids or prawns fry. So I am not going to marinate them or anything, because most of my videos of fish I usually marinate, because sometimes we like to listen the fresh taste of fish. So I'm just going to add salt, then I'll take you through how I will fry them. Please like, subscribe and share, and tell me what you think about the video. Guys, I added some flour, some wheat flour. Then this is how I will do it, like this, so that the wheat flour can go into all the fish. Before the wheat flour, I added some few salt, as you can see. So this is the way our calamari and prawns are now. So now let us fry them. Started frying the calamari, as you can see. Calamari usually takes very few minutes to cook. You don't overcook it. So now let me turn them. So guys, those are our calamari cooking. They have turned to golden brown. Our calamari are ready. As you can see, they are very beautiful golden brown. Let's fry our prawns, and there are some few calamari that I had left. So these are our prawns frying. So guys, our prawns are ready. As you can see, these are our prawns, and there are some few calamari. They are ready. So here we are frying calamari, prawns and some calamari that I had fried before. So these are prawns and some calamari. So guys, our fish is ready. So here we have our calamari, then here we have our prawns. As you can see, they came out so well, a little bit crunchy, and if you want to make it more crunchy, you can use eggs. I'll put a video up of how you can cook these with eggs. So this is just with the milk and flour, very simple, quick seafood that you can have with rice, you can have with vegetable, salad or chips. So our fish is ready. Calamari and prawns. Please guys, like, subscribe and share, and tell me what you think about this recipe.